What is going on YouTube? It's Sankey and I make videos on the stock market. So before I get cracking, if you don't already have a Trading 212 account, you can download it using my link in the description, open up your account, you get a free share of stock, you can join us on these fire plays and kickstart your investment journey. So as always, I've got a jam-packed one for you today in this video, so do stick with the boy all the way through this one. Now let's take a quick check on the portfolio. Those rocking with the channel, you'll know the portfolio is down a few thousand on Friday due to the market sell-off. I told you guys that is an opportunity to pick up some cheap stock because there's going to be a rebound the very next week. And here we have it, very first day of the week in the markets, and we've made it all right back. That's why I say to you guys, when it's red in the stock markets, just stay calm and follow the blueprint that I give you guys each and every day. Now I picked up 100 shares today and I'm excited to share it with you guys. They're penny stock plays, but as you guys know, I'm on a mission to help you build wealth in the stock market by investing into companies with a proven business model that operate in mega trends. That's how we're going to take your portfolios to the next level. With that being said, an opportunity has arisen today and I want us to pounce. Up on screen we have Fiverr. Now this is a play that I covered in yesterday's video and said that they can double by the end of the year, and analysts has come out and downgraded this play, which presents a good buying opportunity. So if you haven't already bought in, now is your chance. Now there might be a little bit of downwards pressure for the next couple of days, but do remember that they've got their earnings coming out on the 18th of February, and I do think after this there should be some good upwards momentum in this play. Now onto the new 100 shares in the portfolio. Over here, you guys know we don't chase stocks. We try and think ahead and catch them before they run up. Now these plays are showing signs of being future runners. But before I get into it, I'm going to need you guys to hit that like button for me. And if you're new, hit the subscribe button, join the journey. And let's jump into the first play. First up, we have Clean Energy Fuels. Now they operate a network of renewable energy fueling stations in North America. They have around 500 out of a total 1,000. So they have a large market share and they focus on the heavy duty fleet. Now heavy duty fleet can't use fuel cells or electric just yet because the technology isn't advanced enough. So that gives Clean Energy Fuels a unique, stable position in the marketplace. So if you guys have been following the blueprint, you'll know that clean energy is one of our mega trends that we're taking advantage of this year to supercharge our portfolios. I'm going to flip over to Bloom Energy. Now this is one of our plays. We call them a wealth builder. We added them to our portfolios over the last couple of weeks and they're doing very good things for our portfolios right now, up almost 10% on the day. Now back to clean energy. Now, one of the things I like about Clean Energy is the number of partnerships they're making and the velocity at which they're making them in. I told you guys this is key to see your penny plays making several partnerships throughout the year because it shows that that business is getting momentum. And this is just going to translate into revenue and a higher share price. And that's exactly what we want. Now, I'm going to put a couple of these partnerships on your radar. In 2019, they secured a 7-year deal with UPS. Mid-2020, they secured a partnership with Chevron, and at the end of 2020 they secured partnerships with both BP and Total, and I wouldn't be surprised if there's another partnership shortly on the way, and that should act as a good positive catalyst to push that share price up. Now looking at the charts, that clean energy stock has been consolidating for the last month with an upwards trend, just looking like it wants to break free from that resistance. Now my strike price is $9.50. If you can get in under $9.50, do consider loading up on this one. I do think they've got a lot of upside. Next up we have Aurora Mobile, that's ticker symbol JD. What they do is they provide mobile analytics solutions using their artificial intelligence. Now again, what I like about JD is the velocity at which they're winning partnerships. They're just coming one after another. Now I want to put a couple on your radar that have happened in the last month. Now one is with a mobile live streaming company and they're going to use JD's artificial intelligence data to better understand user behavior. Another is with an online brokerage called Tiger, and again they're going to use the artificial intelligence data from JD to understand user behavior and improve their platform that way. Now the next one is my favorite one. They've gone ahead and partnered with an undisclosed new energy vehicle company, and it seems like this company is doing big things. They've made 100,000 deliveries in Q3 2020 alone, and they have this mobile application which can control the car in various ways, such as controlling the headlights and unlocking and locking the car. Now this partnership is going to see JD use their artificial data to help with that mobile application, understand drivers' needs and improve the application that way. So the key takeaway from this is how diverse JD are. Remember, we've got online streaming, we've got online brokerage, and now we've got new energy vehicles, and I'm sure there's a lot more other applications for JD's artificial intelligence data. Now this marks good signs for the future of this company in my opinion. Now strike price under $3.50. If you can catch them under $3.50, do consider loading up on this play. I do think they have a good future. Okay, so now onto our community play session where I'll give you guys my 2 cents on the most popular ticker that you guys leave down in my comment section. Now this one's been asked frequently by you guys. That's OZSC Energy. That's ticker symbol OZSC. Now they provide power chargers as well as power supplies to a range of different industries, including industrial and military. Now, I do like this play and I want to put some updates on your radar. Just today, they've partnered with a company called Sain to provide power chargers to medium and heavy commercial EV vehicles. Now, this seems like a good partnership, and I do think a lot more partnerships are on the way for OZSC Energy. So within that EV megatrend that we're taking full advantage of in our portfolios right now in plays like NIO and Tesla is the sub-industry, and that's the EV charging industry, and it looks like OZSC Energy is looking to take full advantage of the growth that we are going to see in the EV charging space. Now, we know that the EV charging space is going to explode this year, next year and beyond. There's a lot more EV infrastructure that needs to be put in place to support the growth of EV cars. Now, I like this play under $3, so if you can catch a dip, do consider loading up on this one. But do bear in mind, if you are investing into OZSC Energy, you should also be investing into some established EV charger plays also. We're talking the likes of Switchback Energy and Bloom Energy. This is going to keep your portfolios diversified and reduce your risk. So if you've been rocking with the channel, you know what time of the day it is. Now, this question comes from Radwan. He says, do you think it's absolutely necessary to have an emergency fund? Wouldn't it make more sense to put all of what you have into the market and then withdraw it as and when you need it? And if you do believe it's necessary, how many months of living expenses do you think that you need? So this is a great question. Let's start with first what an emergency fund is. This is money that's set aside to get you out of any unexpected financial problems. 2 examples, car repairs or to fix a leaking roof. So on our journey to helping you guys create wealth in the stock market, I'm trying to get you guys to be fulfilled financially, but also to do it in the most stress-free way possible. That's why I come on here each and every day to support you on your journey. With that being said, you must have an emergency fund. It's super important. Now, I know it can be tempting to want to put all your money into the market when you see us hitting those bangers in the stock market week in, week out, but it's vitally important that you do have your emergency fund. Now, I also must say that what we're trying to do is we're trying to exit every play that we get into profitable. Now, to maximize our chance of actually exiting that play profitably, we need to be in control of our exit time. Now, let's say, for example, you have an emergency and you need to dip into the stock market and sell your stock right there and then. That stock might be temporarily down and you might have to sell at a loss. That's not what we want to do. We want to exit all of our plays profitably. So in terms of how many months of an emergency fund you should have, I would say at least 6 months, because then you could be comfortable, you know it's there, and you can focus with us on crushing the stock market week in, week out. Alright guys, if you're looking to supercharge your portfolios, connect with myself and our amazing community, do check out the link down below to the Patreon where you get access to the Discord, where I share a lot more plays over there much quicker. Alright, so like this play today. So this morning before the markets opened, I put in the group that we should jump into this play called Blue Sphere Corporation. That's ticker symbol BLSP. Guys, this stock then went up 450% today. So if you're looking to jump on some fire plays, check out the link down below. So as always guys, hit that like button for me, and if you're new, hit the subscribe button and join the family. So as I always say, check into the channel each and every day. Stock market is rapidly moving. You never want to miss a beat. Catch you guys on the next one.